pillow's wet. Not working. I can still see it though. I'd say we're pretty good on that one. Just a touch high, but we got her in there. That last shot on that one was perfect. Well, as you guys can tell, we're getting ready here for first season, turkey season, Illinois. And we're going to try to lop one's head off this year with the guillotines. So trying to get them sighted in. I think we got her pretty much dialed in to about 20 yards. So we're going to probably only shoot one 20 yards or less. I could probably touch one at 30, but I really don't want to take the chance of wounding a turkey that far. So don't have very many birds, but we got a couple. So we'll see if we can't go get it done. It's supposed to be pretty nice weather opening day, but we're going to have to beat a storm. So we'll see if we can't get it done. Stick with me. All right, guys, we made it up here. Gonna hang out here till dark and see if we can get one to gobble. Have a general direction of where he's roosted. He's been roosting right back in here. So hopefully he's there again tonight. He was there last night. Not many turkeys up here. Usually this place is loaded. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, opening day of Illinois turkey season in the North Zone. First season. We got a bird roosted about 150 yards back down the gas line. Setting up pretty good this morning. He's gobbling his head off. I'm sure he's got hens being this early in the season, but where he's at, it's set up pretty good. Hopefully he comes up this way and doesn't go down the bottom. But we got the prime in hand. Gonna try to lop one's head off this morning. Stick with me. Let's see what happens. That didn't take long. Right off the roost, boys. We done. First season Illinois, got it done. Heck yeah. Only bird we heard. What a show. Heck yeah. Let's go ahead and get a tag on him before we move him anywhere. There we go. Well guys, here he is, my 2022 first season Illinois bird. Couldn't have happened quicker right off the roost. Came in trying to lop one's head off this morning. Not gonna lie, I missed my mark quite a bit. I don't know what happened there, but as you can see, we got thunderstorms rolling in, so I was hoping this would happen quick, and it did. Apologize for the shot again, but it did the trick anyway. Killed him quick and clean, so beautiful bird, probably a 2-year-old, but this farm's doesn't have as many birds on it as it usually does, so this is probably the only bird I'll kill here this year. But what an awesome hunt to open Illinois season. Well, we got it done. But whoever said bow hunting turkeys was fun is lying. I mean, it is fun, but man, is it a lot to carry and a lot of work. But well worth it. Hell yeah.